Osogo another back to another two. Condition omini of this function. Iṣẹ́ ìdágbọ̀n ọ̀nà máa ti fa àbọ̀dọ́, iṣẹ́ ẹ̀fọ́ àbọ̀dọ́, ayẹyẹgẹdẹ́gẹ. Iṣẹ́ ìdágbọ̀n ọ̀nà. Iṣẹ́ ọ̀gá ní man. Ayẹyẹgẹdẹ́gẹ náà ti gẹ̀dá lọ, ìṣàjọ́ with you. God bless you. The general chairman. USA branch. Professor Okafor. Ẹ̀dá nàkìlì sí omi ike. Ẹ̀dá lọ́tí lọ́dúnrà. Ẹ̀dá nìkúrú. Àìkèrè ni ẹ́. Ọba ló ń bọ̀ wọ́n sí USA wọ́n bàtà lẹ́yìn bíà. The chairman of the USA branch. We appreciate your presence here. I told December 2016, we are here to continue to jubilate on the occasion of the taking of our prestigious title of the #1 citizen of this community, His Royal Majesty, Igwe Professor Austin Aike Onyekediye, Adama Adadeloku. Thank you very much. Those are guys that are on our board. Just 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes. Hey! Ivan Emanuele. Dalo. Come cai, dalo. Oge mọ ọgwụ na ọgbọ. Omeka ego daalụ nụ. Eze a na-ekwu. Eze a na-agụrụ esi obi ike. Eze a na-achọ ọgwụ ha. Anyị zụnụ. Anyị zụnụ. Daalụ nụ, daalụ nụ, daalụ nụ, daalụ nụ. Agụrụ esi obi ike. Ọ tiri ọdụ ha. The President General, the Chief Executive of this community, known as the President General. We thank you so much. We appreciate you. The Chief Executive of this community, we appreciate you. Thank you very much.